Sage Accounting is a cloud-based financial management tool that helps businesses manage their finances, invoices, and accounting tasks efficiently. Here's a beginner-friendly guide on how to use Sage Accounting. Set up your account, sign up for Sage Accounting and create your company profile. Enter your business information, including name, address, and financial year-end date. Connect your bank account. Link your bank account to Sage to automatically import transactions. This feature simplifies reconciliation and provides a real-time view of your financial status. Manage invoices and bills. Create invoices by navigating to the Sales section. Add customer details, items or services, and payment terms. You can also manage bills by entering vendor invoices in the Purchases section. Track expenses. Record business expenses by entering transactions manually or by importing bank statements. Categorize expenses to track spending effectively. Generate reports. Use the reporting feature to generate financial statements, profit and loss reports, and cash flow statements. This helps you analyze your business's financial health. Stay compliant. Use Sage's tools to track VAT or sales tax, ensuring compliance with local regulations. Seek help and resources. Utilize Sage's tutorials and support resources for further assistance and to explore advanced features.